Saint Joseph. God entrusted him with the immense responsibility and privilege of being the husband of the Virgin Mary and the custodian of the Holy Family, model of the Father and husband, patron of the Universal Church, workers in good deeds. Prayer to Saint Joseph. To you, O blessed Joseph, do we come in our tribulation, O most watchful guardian of the Holy Family, O our most mighty protector, be kind to us and from heaven assist us in our struggle. As once you rescued the child Jesus from deadly peril, shield to each one of us by your constant protection, so that, supported by your example and your aid, we may be able to live piously, to die in holiness, and to obtain eternal happiness in heaven. Amen.